Hello, Forza Greats. How are you? This is Mr. Muhammad Salah again. Welcome to lesson 10.3 for parallel lines and perpendicular lines. In our today's lesson, we are gonna talk about how can you identify and draw parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Let us unlock the problem. Here, as you see, you can find models of lines in the world around you. For example, two streets that cross each other, model intersecting lines. Metal rails on a train track that never cross, model parallel lines. Let's see models for two cross things. Models for two cross things. Here, what is this? What is represent? What does represent? Could you tell me? Yeah, I know that, mister. This simple means you are gonna find two crossways. That's when your dad drives his car. Oh, so let me show you two crossways. Yeah, I understood now. I understood right now. Look, this symbol means I will find two crossways. Oh, like these two ways. Okay, I have an important question for you now. Can you draw these two cross streets by using only two straight lines? Can you draw them by using only two straight lines? Yeah, I can. Please try to do it by using only two straight lines. Make the video to stop right now, then complete your watching and your listening. Yes, if you did it, your drawing is gonna be like this shape. Okay, let's go to try this again. Can you make a cross shape by using two pencils? Can you make a cross shape by using two pencils? Try to do it now. Make the video to stop right now, then try and complete. You will do like this. Exactly if you did that. Now, let's go to see models for two parallel things. What can you see in this picture? Of course, you are gonna tell me it rails on train track. Exactly, you are right if you said that. Can you draw them by using only two straight lines? Can you draw these two rails on train track by using only two straight lines? Please try to do it. Your answer is gonna be like this. This is the first line and this is the second line. Now they are parallel to each other. So let's see models for perpendicular roads or ways. Can you see this picture? Yes. Could you tell me what is this? Yes. Here I can see three roads. Three crossing roads or three crossroads. Oh, if you told that, you are right. Now, I'm gonna ask you, is it clear for you? Yes, it's the same shape. Can you see here? Square corner. Can you see here a square corner? Can you see down a square corner? Can you see beside it another square corner? Yes, here 4 square corners. When you see these square corners, you should to say perpendicular. Yes, this word appear when you see square corner. Now, I'm gonna show you another picture. Look, can you see here square corner? Yes, can you see here square corner between this road and this road? Yes, and down else. Can you see here square corner? Of course, right. And here beside it, can you see square corner? Yes, I can see. So, what should you tell me for this model? Perpendicular. Exactly, you are right if you said that. Okay guys, let's go to the next page. Now I'm gonna open page 561 to identify these 2 lines. Could you tell me which kind of lines can you see? Parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting? Of course, they are intersecting lines. So, intersecting lines are lines in a plane that cross at exactly one point. Here, line HJ and line KJ intersects each other in or at point X. Okay, intersecting lines form 4 angles. Where are them 4 angles? First one here, and the second one here, and the third one here, and the fourth one here. 4 angles, you can see them when you see intersecting lines. Look at this. When you want to read it, line HL intersects line JK at point X. Let's go. Do you remember that? Yeah, I remember it. I remember this picture. 2 intersecting pencils. Let's go. Here, parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines in a plate that are always the same distance apart. Parallel lines never intersect. This is the main sentence that I want you put inside your mind. Parallel lines never intersect. Parallel lines never intersect. Here, lines DE, as you see, lines DE is parallel to line FG. Is parallel to line FG. And the sign of parallel like this, a little two parallel lines. A little two parallel lines. The simple 2 parallel lines means is parallel to. So DE is parallel to FG. Line DE is parallel to line FG. Can you see this? Can you remember it? Yes, I can remember it. Now, I'm gonna go to the next page. What does it mean, perpendicular lines? Are lines in a plane that intersect to form 4 right angles. Can you see here square corner and here square corner? Yes, I can see. Can you see down? Can you see beside it? Yes, I can see 4 square corners. So you should tell me when you see that perpendicular lines. What is a symbol of perpendicular lines? This is the symbol of perpendicular lines, which is mean perpendicular to a little line and a little line to up. Line LM perpendicular to line NO. LM perpendicular to NO, as you see. Do you remember this picture? Yes, I can remember it. Perpendicular roads. Yes. Here, in this picture, you will see a model for everyone. In this picture, represents the three cases together. The first case is intersecting lines, the second case parallel lines, and the third case was perpendicular line. Okay, let's go. Models for two cross parallel line and perpendicular lines in geometric shapes. Can you see this? Oh, this is a model contain of three cases that we have learned: crossing or intersecting, parallel, and perpendicular. Now I'm gonna ask you, can you see AB? Can you see the line segment AB? Yes. Parallel to what? Parallel to DC, and they have the same sign on them. AP parallel to DC. Next, AC intersects. Where is AC? AC intersects what? Could you tell me? AC intersects what? Look at the shape carefully. AC intersects. Great job! PD. PD. Yes. You are right. The last question with us here in this page. AD. Parallel to. Could you see AD? AD parallel to. Parallel to. Exactly, BC. Great job. I heard your answer. You are a good student. Yes. Let's go to the next model. A, B, C, D. It looks like what? Rectangle. Yes, exactly, rectangle. AP parallel to DC. Look, AP parallel to DC. Yes, I'm right. Could you tell me AD perpendicular to what? Or on what? AD perpendicular on what? AD, AD, AD perpendicular on, if you tell me DC, you are right. AD perpendicular on DC, you are right. Or AD perpendicular to AB, you are right also. Let's see the answer. Yes, DC. AD perpendicular to DC. Let's go. The third one and the last, not at least, BC perpendicular on. PC, PC perpendicular on. PC, PC, CD. I'm gonna tell you, teacher, CD. BC and CD. They are perpendicular lines. Yes! Great job, guys. DC. Let's go to the next page. Share and show. Here, we should solve some questions about the lesson have you learned. Now, draw a level, a line segment QR, parallel to line segment ST. As we have learned before, you should to draw a line segment QR. I should to state a point in any space and another point which is R in another space, then join them, match them like this. Great job, QR. I have to draw another segment line ST parallel to QR. State another point S and point T, then join them, but should to be parallel to QR. Should appear to be parallel like this. ST. Please, I want you make the videos to stop and try by yourself, then complete. Let's go to question number 2. Use a figure for question 2 and 3. What is a figure? CBFD. CBFD. This is a figure. What is our question? Name two line segments that appear to be parallel. Name two line segments that appear to be parallel. 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 Don't forget it. Parallel. Here I can see CD and, could you tell me? BF. Great. When I say CB, you should to tell me what? DF. Yes. Let's see my answer. CD and BF. Yes, you are right, teacher. Question number 3. Name two line segments that appear to be perpendicular. Perpendicular. Could you tell me the answer? If you tell me CP, if you tell me CP and BF, you are right. CP, BF, you are right. CP, CD, you are right. DF and FP, sorry, you are right. Let's go. CD and BC. Look, CD and BC. Am I right now? No. CD and BC. He said that. This answer said that. So I can see here a square corner. Yes. So CD and BC or CB, you are right. Anything. Let's go. On your own. Questions. This time for on your own, you should to answer them by yourself, but I will answer with you. Use a figure for question 4 and 5. Question 4 said, name a pair of lines that are perpendicular. I can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So, could you tell me which pair of lines that are perpendicular? Perpendicular means I can see square corner. Where's the square corner? Yeah! Great job, guys! I could hear your answer from my place now. FJ and HG, or JF and HG. As you see, FJ and HG, FJ and HG. Yes, I can see a square corner between them. Don't forget it, please. Question 5. Name a pair of lines that appear to be parallel. 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 Don't forget it. Parallel. Yes, like rails on track. On train track. Okay. I determined them, teacher. What's your answer? D, C, and F, J. Great job, D, C, and F, J. Let's go. Question number 6. Draw a level. The figure described a line segment RS parallel to a line segment TU. RS parallel to TU. Great job if you draw it by yourself. Stop the video here and try to do it by yourself. Yeah, here we go. Great job if you do it like this. Question number 7. Array KL and array KM. There is a common point here. KL, you can state any point which is K, and another point L. Join them to make array. Don't forget to put the head of the array. And you should to draw KM. Start from the point K. Please try to do it. If you answer like this, you are right. If you answer like this, if you draw like this, sorry, I'm gonna repeat it here. If you draw like this, you are right. KM. I can draw M here. Yes. If you draw it like this, you are right. If you draw it like me, you are right. Let's go. Question number 8. CD perpendicular of DE. A line segment CD perpendicular on line segment DE. Draw the point C, then the point D, then join them. After that, start from the point D to the point E. Join them, match them, you will get perpendicular like this. If you do it, you are right, you are smarter, you have a good imagination. Question number 9. JK, a line JK perpendicular to a line LM. JK, LM. A line. Don't forget a line with two heads here. Yes, let's go. Try to do it, please. If you do it like this, you are right. If you did like this, you are right. Now, question number 10. ST intersecting UV. A line ST intersecting a line UV at point X. He said at point X, I can draw intersecting by easy way. Look. Look again. Yes. Put the heads of every line. Then name every line. The first one is T, and the second one is U, V. I draw them like this, and if you do it like me, you are right. So I will show you my drawing. Yes, it's right. In the point X, they are intersecting at point X. Question number 11. A line AB parallel to a line FG. A line AB parallel to a line FG. As you learn, yes, you are right if you do it like this. Now, problem solving or applications. Use a figure for question 12 to 13. This is a figure that you have to solve question number 12. Think smarter. Think smarter. Dan says that a line HL is parallel to IM. Is Dan correct? Let's see. HM. Where is HM? Where is HM? Line HM. Yes, this line HM. HL. Yes, HL. Here, is this line parallel to IM? Look, IM. It is a parallel. If these are two parallel, lines? Great! Your answer is no. Great job. Tell me why. Explain. Because teacher, if I extend every line, they will intersect here in this point. Yes. If you extend the line, they will intersect. Okay, let's go to question 13, the last question with us today. Now, the question says, name two intersecting line segments that are not perpendicular. There are many answers here. I'm looking for two intersecting line segments that are not perpendicular. Who can tell me two line segments that are not perpendicular? That are not perpendicular. There is no square corner between them. First one is GK and HL. Yes, this is a correct answer. Or GK and JM. Yes. Or HL and JM. Yes, there are many. I choose HL and LM. Great job. By the end of the lesson, please try to do your homework on Think Central and see you next time. Bye bye.